What's good with the YouTube? Live and Fit, KDR, King D Rick, however you want to put it. Yeah, what a day's in life of. It's something new that came in. Something I ordered that I felt I needed, you know, for us, AKA flower smokers. People in California, you know what I'm talking about. But where it's legal at anyway. What I have here is the easiest way to roll a cone. Precision, grinding, and rolling. USB rechargeable, a perfect cone in under 30 seconds, roll up to 50 cones on a single charge. Easy to clean and maintain. Let us handle the grinding and rolling. You just worry about the fun part. The first 25 subscribers will have a shot at, you know, getting a free, I want to say, Wiikiti. I'm going to do an unboxing review and let y'all see what's in the box, what all it comes with, and what it all consists of. So, yeah, y'all just stay tuned and I'll be back with instructions. You know, we care about our customers' card. I like what they say. They say we know bad customer service is common in our industry, but we're not like them. They value their customers Wiikiti. Am I saying that right? Little instruction manual. You know, I got 6 steps. What we looking at? 12 steps. And currently, what's in the box is the battery, the grinder, and the tube, I guess, you know, where you're gonna have your raw cone at and what it drops into. Also is a little brush to keep it, get your machine clean. USB charger for the battery. Right there. There are different cone size, 2 different stoppers available for different cone sizes, as you can see right there. So yeah, this is pretty much what all comes in the box. Looks simple, you know, looks like it might work. Now, the only thing that I don't like about smoking raw cones is it's the process of stuffing. You know, it takes a little minute. You know, me personally, I can stuff them and make it smoke all the way through, but usually that's another problem. You know, you roll raw cones, they burn out. You gotta keep firing up. I hope that I don't have to do some extra stuffing. I hope I don't have to, like, you know, drop it in there, then press it down, then, you know, put some more, press it down. You know how, you know, normally gotta roll a raw cone. So with that being said, like I said, it's Sensei, come on, man, I'm shooting a video, man. Give me a little time. And, you know, right now I don't usually have them in the cage, but, you know, I got a hole in my fence I gotta go get fixed. So yeah, this is an unboxing video. And so I'm just letting y'all see what I was in it. Start this YouTube page, be on a positive note, do things on a positive level. You know, so with that being said, if you rocking with me like I'm rocking with you, man, y'all hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell also. But the ones that's really down for me, I gotta tell you that. The first 25 subscribers that I get, I don't know what I give away. Hey, I might give away one of these. But cause I actually got another one. But so with that being said, hey, just subscribe. Quick unboxing review of the Sick With It. I don't know, the Wiikiti KTT. Anyway.
All my life, been grinding all my